I have one quick video from me to talk about GPX files. Now, GPX files are normally files that contain course information. Now, it may well be that you've been provided a GPX file of a course that you want to import into your bike computer or your wristwatch, or you have maybe entered a race and the race organizers have provided you with a GPX file of the race route. Either way, the idea of this video is to just show you a quick and simple way to get that GPX file imported into your computer and then onto your Garmin or any other device. Let's take a look. Okay, so first of all, we need to get our GPX file. So on this example, I have navigated to the On the Edge middle distance race website page. So I'm going to scroll down the page here to find the GPX file. Here we go, the middle distance bike course. I'm going to click on that. And that's going to download the file to the downloads folder. So next, I'm going to go to the downloads folder. So the file is going to be in a downloads folder, and here you can see the GPX file is sitting in that folder there. Now, don't click on that, just leave it there for the time being. Now what you need to do is navigate to your device website. Now I'm using the Garmin Connect, but the Wahoo or any other system should have a very similar kind of setup. So within Garmin Connect, the website itself, on the left hand side, going to scroll down to training and planning. If you're on a different website, you're going to have to figure out where on your website the courses planning side of the website is. So I'm going to scroll down here to courses, click on courses. It's asking for my location, which is fine. And at the top here is an import button. Press the import button, browse to your folder, and there we go. It's opened up straight into the downloads folder. I'm going to double click that one. It's loaded it up onto the Garmin webpage. Get started, and there we go. We can see the outline of the course there. It's waiting for me to select a particular type of course, so I'm going to click road cycling here, and there we have it. So it's imported the course. Nice and clean. It's got all the mile markers on there. You can change the name of the course at the top here. You can see the course profile details, and that's it. Click save. And again, it's another opportunity for you to save your course name or change your course name. You can set the privacy to private or public. If you set it to public, that means other people can search for the course and can find it and can use your course. I'm going to leave it private for now and hit done. That's it. It's now been imported into my Garmin Connect account. Now the next thing we need to do is to get that onto your, in this case, bike computer, but it's the same for running too. So the way Garmin works is it's automatically pairs to the Garmin app on the smartphone. Now, if you haven't got that, you need to download your device's app to your smartphone and pair it to your device. Mine is already done, so it's nice and straightforward. And there's no sending it. It will automatically download to the device itself. So let's take a look at that. Okay, so here we go. This is my Garmin Edge 530 bike computer. It will work in a very similar way regardless of which type of bike computer or model you have. So in this instance, we need to go down into the menu. So press the down arrow to go into the menu, and then you're looking for the navigation option. So down to navigation, enter, and then you're looking for courses. That's where it was uploaded to. So courses, and then what you're looking for is the name of the actual route, because they come in alphabetical order. Now this is actually called On the Edge Bike Route 2023. So if we scroll all the way down here past all my other old courses, because they will come in alphabetical order, as I say. Here we go, On the Edge Bike Route. Hit enter, and that will load the course, and then it will ask me if I want to ride it. So let's first of all have a look at the map just to make sure it's what we're expecting. And there we go, I recognise that course, and that's absolutely the right one. So we go back and then hit ride. And what it'll do there is it'll load the course up, ask if you want to navigate to the beginning of the course. I always select no, because I like to make my own way there. Don't need the Garmin to tell me where to go to get to the start of the course, but if you need to do that, then obviously you can. So I'm going to hit no, and then what it'll do now is it will go through a calculation when it starts to import the file. Oh, it's already imported. There we go. So it's already imported. And depending how you have your Garmin set up, it will give you distances to segments, distances to turns, that kind of thing. I don't have that set up on my Garmin. What it does give you is the upcoming climbs, which is always quite good information. So it will tell you this live on the route while you're cycling. And there we go, segment end 48 miles and the whole course is 56. Estimated time 3:34, and that depends what you set up within the Garmin app itself there. So pretty straightforward. So that's how you import it into your Garmin. That's how you get your GPX file, import it into your device software, and then within the device you can actually navigate to it and actually ride the course that you've imported. Well, that's it for today. Hope you found that useful. If you did, please press the button to subscribe and press the bell so you get notified of any new videos. And I shall see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.